All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Unreal Engine project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, yesterday you did see that we had our mouse in action, which made things a lot easier for us, maneuvering around our environment and exploring new concepts and new tools. Today we're going to pick up where we left off. Now, we did learn something new today. We can actually duplicate objects. Now, instead of bringing the same object over or having the same object imported over again and again and again, we can actually click on and select the object we want. Then we're gonna get in a right click on it, and that should open up an option bar for us to actually edit the object. And inside of the edit, we can find duplicate. We just click on the duplicate there. Now, when we duplicate, the image is going to come right in the same place as the original. So what we want to do is we want to click on the original and just simply move it to the side or move it wherever we're moving it, and that should reveal the new object that we just duplicated. As you can see here, we have our new cone there. So that makes things a lot easier when we want to bring in a bunch of objects of the same shape. That'll help instead of having to go to the menu over and over again. We can just do it like that. Now, also, you can see here I did start rearranging my slabs here, or my blocks. That's going to be our 12 by 12 slab. So this is the first six. This is the six that I use my mouse on. You can see we got a lot closer and a lot more symmetrical. So it's taking the shape of one uniform thing is instead of a bunch of random placed blocks. And let me zoom out a little bit so I can show you that in comparison to when we were just using our mouse pad. So if I can get the zoom out going, we can so you can see here we can start zooming out, and I can start showing you that. So first, you can see here to the left. Let me zoom out a little bit more so you can see a little bit more of the bigger picture. So you can see here to the left, we have our 6 blocks, and we have 6 blocks to the right. Yesterday, I told you that we are going to have a 12 by 12 slab. So you can see here, this section here to the left, this was done with our mouse. You can see how straight, symmetrical, and even these blocks are. And these here to the right are done with the mouse pad. And you can see how chaotic and erratic this looks compared to the mouse section. Now again, I'm just showing you that to show you how much of a difference using a mouse makes. So I just say that to say that if you're gonna take things seriously, it's best that you get the tools that you need to actually get the job done. So basically, that's where we're at right now. We did learn some new concepts. Like I said, we learned how to duplicate, and as you can see, we're gonna start building our 12 by 12 slab, and it is going to come out a lot straighter and a lot neater than trying to attempt it with just the mouse pad, as you can see here to the right. But that's where we're at. So like I said, I'm going to take the day to finish building out our environment. I just wanted to make sure that the mouse was making a big difference, which it is. So yeah, we're going to move forward. And of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.